Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling gear and safety. This matters because control prevents accidents and gives consistent light trails. Strip and stuff the 0000 wool into a whisk, wear gloves and goggles, and place an extinguisher within reach. Mount the camera on a tripod, dial manual exposure, 10 to 30 seconds, f/8 to f/11, ISO 100 to 400, and attach a remote. Once set, compose the frame and mark your spinning circle, so you can begin the first burn with confidence and repeatability. You ignite the wool until it smolders. Steady embers give the most consistent sparks, then start spinning. Hold the whisk by its handle and rotate smoothly at shoulder height. Speed changes the density and length of trails, so experiment with faster versus slower rotations. While you spin, the camera records long exposures. Make test shots and adjust shutter time if sparks overexpose or vanish. Make sure to use remote triggering and mirror lockup to eliminate vibration. This technique yields crisp, dynamic light patterns. You finish by extinguishing the steel wool in sand or a metal bucket. Safety first, and then review images on the camera to confirm composition and exposure. Tweak white balance, contrast, and highlight recovery in post to enhance spark detail without clipping. If trails look blown out, reduce ISO or stop down the aperture. If they're too faint, lengthen the shutter or spin more energetically. One key troubleshooting tip: if motion blur appears on the background, secure the tripod and shorten human movement during the exposure to isolate the sparks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.